Presenting the IFB 20 liters grill microwave oven in black and silver color that is suitable for bachelors and small families. This IFB microwave can be used for grilling along with reheating, defrosting and cooking. It can also be used for combination cooking using both the microwave and grill functions to cook and brown food as per your requirements to make grilled kebabs and tikkas at home. The microwave also lets you defrost easily by weight. It comes with an antibacterial cavity, making it more hygienic. It also features a touch panel display with child lock feature. The microwave comes with a keep warm feature that keeps food at a constant temperature without overcooking it to keep your food warm in the microwave for up to 90 minutes. It also comes with steam clean feature that cleanses the grease in the cavity walls with the help of steam, giving you more advanced cleaning. It also comes with an express cooking feature that lets you cook faster. The power save mode in this IFB microwave lets you save electricity. The microwave comes with a starter kit. This IFB microwave comes with 10 power levels that let you vary the heat according to the requirement of the dish. It also features 41 auto-cook menus that makes cooking easier and more convenient for people who are not familiar with microwave cooking. This microwave comes with brand warranty of 1 year on product and 3 years on Magnetron. You can schedule the delivery of this product at a day and time of your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installing your product within 48 hours of delivery. In case you receive the product in a condition that is damaged or defective, we offer a free 10-day return replacement policy. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.